Hi, I'm Rick Farland from Hyde Tools, and I'm going to demonstrate a 6-inch joint knife. What we have here is we have the first pass on a horizontal joint, and with the 6-inch knife what I'm going to do is put the second pass in. Now first what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the edges to make sure there's any small pieces of drywall that might have come up or might be a little bit too high. Sanding's not really that necessary at this point if everything's fairly smooth, and I can hit all the high points like this. Once I've done that and made sure it's relatively smooth, I'm going to try to expand this probably twice the size, about an 8 to 10 inch wide swash. And the reason for that is because we don't want a bulge to show, and the wider the drywall is, the less obvious that becomes. So we'll start off with a bunch. It won't look all that great, but then we'll get down to something that's more reasonable. When you do this, you want to push down on the bottom edge of the blade so that this is scraping up entirely and the top is not as tight. So you're taking more off the bottom and less off the top. And then you clean up. And then you do the opposite, where you put more on the top and less on the bottom and the top. So you end up with a line somewhere across the middle where the two come together.